This is the second video in a short series on how to use the LAOS Bridgeless minter to create an almost unlimited number of regular ERC721 tokens on Ethereum or Polygon. In the first video, we connected a MetaMask account and acquired KLAOS test tokens from the faucet. In this video, we're going to create a collection. This is the only time you'll need to pay any ETH or MATIC, as you will be deploying a new universal ERC721 smart contract. First, click the Create button and from the drop-down menu, click Create Collection. Enter a name and symbol for the collection and choose your network. Then, click Create Collection. First, we are creating the collection on KLAOS, which requires spending a tiny amount of KLAOS as gas. Switch to the KLAOS network if required, then confirm the transaction. Once the transaction is confirmed, MetaMask will ask to switch to Ethereum or Polygon, depending on which you chose, to deploy the collection contract. Confirm the transaction in MetaMask and wait for the transaction to be approved. Again, this is the only time you will need to spend ETH or MATIC before minting any number of assets that you want. With the transaction complete, you can now optionally click on this icon to view the deployed smart contract, in this case on Polygon Scan.